Hello guys, I wanted to share something with you that I noticed lately. I had a knocking sound coming from this area while I'm driving, but the thing is I really checked everything, the joints, the suspension, the bearings, everything is okay, but what I noticed was something really funny, that the brake pads, as you can notice, on small road bumps it produces this noise. So basically this is what the noise is. The car is a Skoda 2009. You can notice here is not installed properly. There is a metal clip that should come inside the cylinder, the master brake cylinder, and this is causing the sound of those brakes like this, you know? So maybe you have the same situation. That's why I really love to share this thing with you.